everyone, and welcome to Indian Masterminds, a show where we showcase excellence in bureaucracy. This is Bhakti Kothare, and today we are presenting to you the story of Urban Minister for Urban Development, Housing, Petroleum and Natural Gas, Mr. Hardeep Singh Puri, a seasoned diplomat who has carved a path for himself, leaving an indelible mark on both the bureaucratic and the political realms. He is best known for his role as India's permanent representative to United Nations from 2009 to 2013, putting forth India's point of view at the global forum, especially the frequent diplomatic onslaughts unleashed by our neighbors, China and Pakistan. A 1974 batch IFS officer, Mr. Puri's bureaucratic experience includes serving as Joint Secretary to the Government of India in the Ministry of External Affairs from 1994 to 1997 and again from 1999 to 2002. Additionally, he held the position of Joint Secretary to the Government of India in the Ministry of Defence from 1997 to 1999. These roles not only exposed him to the intricacies of policy making, but also honed his ability to navigate complex bureaucratic structures and forge effective partnerships across different government agencies. One of Puri's most significant achievements was his role as chairman of the United Nations Security Council's Counter-Terrorism Committee from January 2011 to February 2013. During this critical period, he played a pivotal role in coordinating international efforts to combat terrorism, a challenge that continues to plague nations worldwide. His leadership and diplomatic acumen were instrumental in fostering cooperation and consensus among member states, paving the way for more effective counter-terrorism measures. Throughout his diplomatic career, Puri has been stationed at various important posts, including as India's ambassador to Brazil and as Deputy High Commissioner in Japan, Sri Lanka and the United Kingdom. These experiences have undoubtedly enriched his global perspective and equipped him with a deep understanding of international affairs and invaluable assets in his current roles as a politician and policymaker. He served at the headquarters of the Ministry of External Affairs in New Delhi as Under-Secretary in the early 1980s, as Director and Chef de Cabinet to the Foreign Secretary in the early 1990s, as Joint Secretary of Americas and Europe West Divisions, and on deputation to the Ministry of Defence in the 90s. He was also the Permanent Secretary dealing with economic relations in the Ministry of External Affairs from June 2008 to April 2009, before joining as Ambassador and Permanent Representative of India to the United Nations in New York on May 4, 2009. He retired from the Indian Foreign Service on February 28, 2013 and joined the International Peace Institute, New York, a non-profit think tank with headquarters in New York and offices in Vienna and Manama. He then became a senior advisor from June to December 2013, Vice President of the IPI and Secretary General of the Independent Commission on Multilateralism. It was because of his vast diplomatic experience that when he decided to shift his domain to politics as a primary member of the BJP in January 2014, almost 5 months before the party rose to power in Lok Sabha elections, Puri was tipped to helm the External Affairs Ministry. But the portfolio was handed over to more seasoned politician Sushma Swaraj. But he did not have to wait long to display his political skills. He was asked to contest the Lok Sabha elections in 2019 as a BJP candidate from Amritsar, one of the few Sikh candidates fielded by the party during its 40-year journey. He fought valiantly but lost to Aam Aadmi Party candidate Gurjeet Singh Aujla by slightly less than 1 lakh votes. It was a significant achievement as BJP never had a significant presence in Punjab, riding piggyback on Shiromani Akali Dal during past 35 years. But his efforts in the political arena didn't go unnoticed. He was inducted into the Modi 2.0 cabinet as the Minister of State for Housing and Urban Affairs and Civil Aviation, as well as the Minister of the State for Commerce and Industry. This appointment marked a significant milestone in his transition from diplomacy to governance, allowing him to apply his extensive experience and expertise to address pressing issues in these vital sectors. One of Puri's most notable contributions as a politician has been conceptualizing and execution of the Central Vista project, a massive undertaking aimed at revamping the entire seat of police, including the iconic Parliament of India in New Delhi and many government offices, including the Prime Minister of India's office and residence. Despite facing criticism and opposition, Puri's steadfast determination and commitment to this ambitious project have ensured its progress, with completion projected for 2024. This endeavour not only showcases his ability to navigate complex challenges, but also underscores his vision for a modern and revitalized capital city. Completion and inauguration of the new Parliament House was a big feather in Mr. Puri's cap. During the 2022 Russian invasion of Ukraine, Puri's diplomatic prowess was once again called upon when he was dispatched as part of a special envoy to Budapest, Hungary, to assist in the coordination efforts. His leadership played a crucial role in the successful Operation Ganga initiative, which facilitated the safe return of 6,711 Indian students from the war-torn region, demonstrating his ability to navigate complex geopolitical situations with poise and efficacy. Mr. Puri, as Housing and Development Minister, has always been at loggerheads with the AAP government in Delhi, headed by Mr. Arvind Kejriwal. He has been most vocal in denouncing the state government for its various decisions and steps construed by him as anti-people and mere gimmick. Mr. Puri's personality would remain incomplete without describing his writings. He is an avid writer who has published almost half a dozen books on internal affairs, external security, and diplomacy. Some of the best books authored by Mr. Puri are Perilous Interventions, The Security Council and the Politics of Chaos, Delusional Politics, and Separating the Wheat from the Chaff, Decoding Dominant Narratives. An alumnus of Delhi University, Mr. Puri has also edited a book to mark centenary celebrations of his alma mater. Mr. Puri's father, too, was a civil servant, which is why he spent most of his education in boarding schools. Before joining the Indian Foreign Service, Mr. Puri also taught at the prestigious St. Stephen's College in Delhi. His wife, Lakshmi Puri, is also an IFS officer. Hardeep Singh Puri's journey from a distinguished diplomat to a prominent politician has been marked by numerous accomplishments and challenges. His unwavering commitment to public service, coupled with his extensive experience and expertise, have positioned him as a key figure in shaping India's domestic and international policies. As he continues to navigate the complexities of governance, Puri's legacy as a bureaucrat and diplomat serves as a foundation upon which he can build a lasting impact on the nation. Join us next time as we unravel more stories of bureaucrats who have been shaping our country. Our next video will be on the Tamil Nadu BJP chief and a former IPS officer, Mr. K. Annamalai. Until then, I am Bhakti Kothari signing off. Stay informed, stay curious, and stay tuned. And do not forget to keep tracking the Indian elections with Indian Masterminds. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and do not forget to press the bell icon to get instant alerts.